Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Redmagic 8S Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. Now once I do, it's going to pop up with the Google voiceover thingy thing, so just ignore it. There we go. From here we're going to select power off. And once the device turns off, we then want to hold our power button and volume up at the same time. I am gonna let go of the power button once the Redmagic logo shows up. And as you can see, this quickly boots me into the recovery mode. In here, we have a couple different options like reboot system, which is just a way to get back to Android, wipe data, power off, and advanced option, which gives me safe mode, view recovery logs, and go back to the previous page. And under wipe data, we have just a factory reset with no wipe cache partition. So there we go. I'm gonna stick with the first one, which, like I mentioned before, will now boot me back up into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.